Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit signature in DocuSign. Alright, let's begin. First, open DocuSign and click on your profile icon at the top right. Then click on Manage Profile. Once inside your profile settings, go to the left side menu and select Signatures. You will see your existing signatures listed there. To make changes, select your signature, click on Actions, and then click on Edit. Here, you can either choose from available styles, draw a new signature, or upload your own. You can also upload your initials if needed. If you want to change your default signature, just choose or draw the new one and click Create. That new selection will now become your active signature for future documents. If you ever want to edit again, simply return to the same section, select the signature, and make the changes. So that's basically how you can edit signature in DocuSign. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.